So how do I apply garage coatings on my garage floor? Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. Okay, great. You have decided to protect and elevate your garage floor appearance through epoxy coating. Okay, that's a good decision and a wise investment. Epoxy floor coatings are commonly used in garage floors because of their toughness and durability that will surely be worth every penny. It might look complicated to apply this yourself, since other people are hiring professionals to do the task, like us. But trust me, the process of coating your garage floor with epoxy can be much easier than cleaning your whole house. You can follow some of these steps if you do not know where to start. Tip number 1, preparing your garage floor is the most important part of this job. I can't stress that enough. You gotta start with a clean garage floor. You can achieve the best result if your concrete floor is still in its best condition. Although you can still work with concrete floors with minor cracks and damage, it will save you more time if you do not want to wait for this to happen. You should clean your garage floor thoroughly, even the walls. Do not forget that, as we do not want anything to fall on our epoxy coating while it is still binding with the concrete floor. Cleaning will not be enough, so you should also have a degreaser and all other cleaning materials that you will use. You should also be as prepared as your floor. Accomplishing this task will require you to work with chemicals and solutions that might not be harmful when it comes in contact with your body. After that, you will have to etch the concrete with the solution that comes along with the epoxy kit. I don't recommend this, but I'm trying to tell you, if you want to do this yourself, this is one way of doing it. Rinse very well and then wait for the concrete to completely dry. You will only mix the catalyst and the resin when you're about to apply it to your floor. There will be instructions in your kit to pay attention to that as well. You will be needing more than just brooms in getting your garage floor ready. So it is important that you list down everything that you would need to avoid returning to the store multiple times. I always say, garage floor prep is 80% of the job. I can't tell you that till my lips bleed. 80% of a garage floor success is in the prep. Tip number 2, the weather plays a big factor in this process. You should schedule the application of epoxy coating according to the weather, especially if you want to speed up this process. There is a risk that it will bubble and peel if your concrete is damp because of the rain. You will also have to wait 12 to 24 hours for the epoxy to dry. So make sure it's sunny for all days of your application. Researching the right weather for your area in advance can make a significant difference in success of your DIY garage floor. Tip number 3, do not walk on it right away. Even if you want to apply a second coat, you will have to wait at least 12 hours before you can do that. Also, before you walk on your upgraded floor, wait for the epoxy to bind with the concrete completely for at least a whole day, and at least 72 hours before you bring your car into your garage. If it is possible, waiting for a week before you roll your car onto your epoxy coated flooring is more desirable for the best possible result. If everything that I've said is too much of a hassle to you, then you might want to consider hiring a professional to do the job. TLC Garage Works has the experience and tools to give you a brand new garage floor, and it's worth the consideration. Give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342. We'll be glad to come out and give you a free, no obligation quote for your garage flooring needs. And stay tuned for more videos on garage makeovers. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.